Hi, this is Chinmayi. I'm going to be introducing to you a quick and easy summertime skincare routine for this blazing hot summer. Depending on which sort of a weather you're exposed to, whether it's dry heat or humid heat, I'm going to slightly tweak these suggestions that would work best in these situations. Even if you travel, this might, I think, work for you. So let me take you right in. As I have said several times on this channel, double cleansing is going to be your bay. That's going to be one of the most important things that you do during summer with the sweating and the humidity and the dust and the heat. Please don't skip double cleansing your skin. However, if your skin is dry and dehydrated and with the excessive sweating, you're going to be facing something called transepidermal water loss. I suggest that you stop with your first cleanse, which will be your emulsifying balm. A great option would be the Dr. Cuticle's 5-alpha control melting cleansing gel. It is great for all skin types, especially acne prone sensitive skin types, and even if your skin is dry and dehydrated, you can just take a little bit on your palm, emulsify it without any water, and then directly apply it onto your face and wash off. This is a cleanser that is not going to be giving you any foam. Just wash it off and you'll be left with a nice, beautiful, hydrated, silky feeling. Right after that, I would definitely suggest that you try the Cosrx AHA PHA clarifying treatment toner. Just spritz it onto your face a little bit, go and then let it pat dry. Thereafter, for your nighttime skincare routine, I would definitely suggest, this is my well-loved Cosrx retinol. You can take just a pea-sized amount and apply it onto your face and neck, and thereafter don't skip your moisturizer. The suggestion that I have is the Cosrx's triple hyaluronic moisture ampule. This has a triple hyaluronic acid complex and provitamin B5, great at healing and hydrating your skin to combat, as I already told you, the transepidermal water loss. And for daytime, of course, if you want to, you can use the same ampule even during daytime if yours is dry, dehydrated skin. And if yours is an oily skin or even normal skin, this would be a great daytime moisturizer as well. I mean, if you have the time and the patience for a 5 or 6 step routine, I would also suggest that you layer the oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion, and then during daytime, do try out, especially if yours is acne prone sensitive or you have rosacea. This is a great product that we have at our clinic, Deep Skin Dialogues. This is a Troy Rique Accent UV Protector Essence. This is something that you can apply onto your face. Or else you can use your favorite sunscreen. We also have some great options on our website. The Pyangkangul's moisture sun cream, there's another Atto sun cream that we have, and this is also safe to be used on babies and for pregnant or nursing mothers as well. And even if you have extremely sensitive skin, Pyangkangul is a brand that you can absolutely trust with your eyes closed, that it's not going to give any sort of adverse reactions of any sort. They have very, very few ingredients, and almost 90-95% of their products are absolutely fragrance free. So do try this out and let me know how your skin is. And if you want a skincare routine tailor-made for your skin type, do hit us up. Follow us on Instagram on Skin Root India, and we'll be happy to help you. Until I see you in our next video, this is Chinmayi saying